Good morning. Okay, we have gathered in order to have a case study discussion on automatic water level control system in high residence apartments. Okay, so water is the main component which we use every day, and wastage of water should be restricted or it should be reduced by using any some of the control systems like sensors and some circuits. So here we are going to discuss about what are all the advantages and disadvantages and what are all the components that we are going to use in order to implement the control system in the apartments. So let us start with the discussion.
Abhishek, I'm going to talk about introduction. High risk of water wastage in apartments by manual operating of water pumps. To avoid this, we have used automatic water level control system. By this, we can save the electricity and reduce manpower and maintain the level of water in tank and provide 24 by 7 water to the residents.
Hi everyone, I am Anu. I will be discussing about the systems which are components which are used in the system. Firstly, it is the control unit. Secondly, it is the water level sensors. Then we have the overhead tanks and the underground surge tanks. We have power supply. And the working principle is like the sensor will detect the level of water present in the tank. And if it is below the required level, it will turn on the pump and water starts to fill in the tank. Secondly, if the water level is above the required level, the sensor will turn off the pump and no more water will flow into the tank. This cycle will continue to repeat and no human intervention is required in this process.
Myself, Aravind Roshan. I'm going to explain the applications and advantages in this automatic water level control system. As it is automatic, there's no manual labor required in this system. It also ensures equal level distributions of water throughout the floors, and it is also used in multi-storey buildings. As it is automatic, it saves electricity bills and reduce wastage of water. It also ensures no overflow of water in the overhead tanks, and it is also easy to use and eco-friendly.
I'm going to talk about objectives. Main objectives of this system is to save water and to avoid wastage of waters and overflow of water in tanks, and to save electricity and to provide 24 by 7 water service to the residents, and to reduce the manpower to maintain the water level, and to turn off and on the motor, and to avoid the damages of motor due to dry run.
So let us discuss about the sensors which are used here. Firstly, it is float switch sensor, which is mechanical and easy to use. Secondly, we have the conductive probe sensor, which conducts the water level. And thirdly, it is the ultrasonic sensor, which does not require any contact and it gives accurate value.
Ashik Jain, I am going to water level control system improves efficiency of water management in high risk apartments. It provides automation, safety, and energy. It is essential in residential infrastructure. Thank you.
System, the energy wastage is pretty high, as it is from 20 to 30% of the energy is wasted on manual labor. In this automatic system, the energy wastage is pretty low, and the lifespan of the pumps have become very reduced. And the water wastage is also reduced, and the risk of dry runs is also become zero.
Okay, now let's have a small question. Like we have already discussed about what are all the components used and what are all the sensors used in order to have an automatic water level management. So how much the size of the product will be and where we will be implementing it in the apartments?
Okay, so the size of this product is very compact and we can place the sensor inside the tank. And the maintenance for this is that we have to clean the sensor once in a month and we have to check whether the proper wiring and connections are done.
Okay. So the next question will be, we have already manually, we will be operating all these process, and how the efficient will be improved when we move on to the automatic. Discussion, let us conclude that compared to manual operation, surely control system will improve the efficiency in water management as well as dry running of pumps in the apartments, which will even reduce the power consumption, and it will be very efficient too. Thank you.